Match the same letters. मिलते जुलते हरूफ मिलाइए. Dear children, प्यारे बच्चों, now we learn to match the same letters. अब हम मिलते जुलते हरूफ को मिलाना सीखते हैं. We shall match the capital letters with small letters. हम बड़े हरूफ को छोटे हरूफ के साथ मिलाएंगे. This is capital letter S. Now we search small letter S in the second row. Z, T, V, X, Y, W, U, S. Yes, this is small letter S. So we match capital letter S with small letter S. This is capital letter T. Now we search small letter T in the second row. Z, T. Yes, this is small letter T. So we match capital letter T with small letter T. This is capital letter U. Now we search small letter U in the second row. Z, T, V, X, Y, W, U. Yes, this is small letter U. So we match capital letter U with small letter U. This is capital letter V. Now we search small letter V in the second row. Z, T, V. Yes, this is small letter V. So we match capital letter V with small letter V. This is capital letter W. Now we search small letter W in the second row. Z, T, V, X, Y, W. Yes, this is small letter W. So we match capital letter W with small letter W. This is capital letter X. Now we search small letter X in the second row. Z, T, V, X. Yes, this is small letter X. So we match capital letter X with small letter X. This is capital letter Y. Now we search small letter Y in the second row. Z, T, V, X, Y. Yes, this is small letter Y. So we match capital letter Y with small letter Y. This is capital letter Z. Z is the first small letter in second row. So we match capital letter Z with small letter Z.